All right, Cleaners Connect. I got my Workhorse. Got an empty canister. Show you guys what I'm about to vacuum. I got 2 rooms upstairs, a hallway, and 1 room downstairs. So I'm about to pre-vac, show you guys how much dry soil. And again, Johnny said in his video he prefers the customers to vacuum. Well, the reason why I don't, guys, is because most of the times the customer doesn't do a good job vacuuming, and a lot of times their vacuums are not even working right. A lot of times the vacuums are clogged up, they don't work, they're not picking up dry soil, so they're just basically putting lines in the carpets. And then down here you can see a lot of pit hair. So this is job number 4, last one of the day, and I'm going to do some true clean. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to pre-vac and show you guys how much I get out of the carpets with the Workhorse. All right, guys, I got to go ahead and dump this canister on the Workhorse already. The reason why, and I haven't even cleaned, not cleaned, vacuum this room right here. You can see this room. I don't know if I redo the video. This room has not been vacuumed. But look at this right here. Look at that. So that's just from the hallway and that 1 room right there, right here. All right, guys, so I just got through pre-vacuuming this area right here, and look at that. Look at that. That's right there is just from the upstairs, 2 rooms in the hallway. And this is from just that area right there in the hallway. So that and this is what all came out the carpet right here. Oh no, Johnny. I don't think your CRB gonna pull all that out. But hey, we can keep testing. Friendly debate.